Which one of you is Ronald Fleury? Damon Schmidt, State Department. I'm here to make sure that you get out of here, okay? This your team right here?
Yep. All three of them.
Hey, everybody. You're gonna need these. Electrolytes, good to see you. Some electrolytes for you. Take that. You don't want to drop in this heat. Do you have any idea how much trouble you're in? My boss hates you. He's furious. You get back home, you're done. If you make it back home. Now, here comes the prince. You hold on to his hand and you make sure you don't let go of it till he does, okay? Let's get, we gotta dial down the boobies. We need to cover these situations. No verbal response. All right, everybody, here we go. Your Excellency, Special Agent Fleury of the Federal Bureau of Investigation and his colleagues.
هذا مدى حرصنا للقبض على الإرهابيين وجلبهم للعدالة. أحضرنا فرقة تحقيق أمريكية إلى المملكة، ليس من أجل القبض والاعتقال، ولكن لإفادتنا بالتقارير والنصائح.
You will honor me with your presence tomorrow at my home.
شكرا. I'll tell you why this is a win. You documented it and you're still alive. I got a plane, it's fueled up, it's ready to go, it's got your name on it. You guys want to go? Let's do it.
You talk about this. A little too much.
You wearing a vest? You got nothing. You got nothing, big boy. You want to tighten up the Kevlar, okay?
All right.
Offer still stands. I'm always ready to go.
So what did the prince say?
That there are more rules than just not working.
Rules? What rules?
It's a slow roll. This whole trip's gonna be like deep-sea fishing in Florida.
We need more security here before we go on.
Fucking kidding me? You got a fucking arm.
I'm not
You can't
kidding you.